Welcome to some Canton Network. Looking at a price of a 0.1550, 15.5 cents. We up today 5.16%. Looks like we in a little relief bounce here. I do believe that we coming to the end of that relief bounce. We at an area of resistance. We get over on the chart. We can see that we had a previous area of resistance on the chart here. We're coming up to that previous area of resistance that sits at 0.1576. We tried this resistance level here back on April 9th, 2026, and also here the 14th and 15th and 16th of April, and here we are going back up again. But I do find us finding a rejection, getting rejected again up there at this level of resistance, because we look here at the volume, CVD volume, we down. We are pushing up a little bit, but it's very low. We look over here at the CVD also. CVD is also low. Let's see. Let's look at spot accumulation. As you can see here, this was on the 14th. We rallied up. 15th and 16th, like I said, on the where we attempted to push up. As you can see right here, we're not getting volume on the CV, the spot volume coming in buying. It held up here at these levels, come back to the middle of this, about to the middle of this range where we rallied on spot being bought on Canton Network, but we haven't seen a reversal here. It's not showing no volume coming in on Canton Network. I also want to bring it to your attention, we're making lower lows on open interest. As far as with Canton, we did make this rally up. Like I say, on the 14th, 13th, 14th, we made a rally up here. It's a 4-hour chart, but we got nothing today like we did back on the 13th and the 14th. So this is to me, this is just a fake out being pushed up by market makers, wanting to bring that to your attention, not being negative on Canton Network. I like Canton Network. If you look at the funding rates, we do have loans coming in. Everybody predicting that the price is going to go up, and this is what they want. Market makers want to manipulate Canton Network. This is where the market makes their money. So if they can get you to believe that we aren't going up, and these loans get placed, well, we had it coming up to a area of resistance. Guess what's going to happen? We're going to pull back. As you can see here, on the futures, we were coming down, but we're going back up now. And that takes out, any absorption from longs covering spot that we're losing on spot. So we get back over here on the chart. Soon we're gonna start pulling back. Could come back down to the 7-day VWAP. That sits at 0.1528. We lose that. We're coming back down to this next area support down here that sits at 0.14950. Coming back down somewhat into the middle of this range, right here. This is the middle of the range right here where we're talking about, right in this area right here. I would like to change the color on this, if I could, to a little bit darker. There we go. So that everybody can see. But like I say, we could push up a little bit further. But I do believe that we're going to come back down. Let's see. Right now, we could push up, hit that area of resistance. Come back down, hit the 7-day and bounce and come back down. Here is where I think we're headed. Picking up support down here, somewhere right here, going back testing the 7-day, wherever it may be. You know, before reattempting to make that attempt again. So, if we lose to 7, we could push all the way back down to the 30-day, and it sets at 0.14711. So, bringing that to your attention, but be careful on this fake out right here. As you can see down here, bring it to your attention. See this volume over here? We had 6.32 million that pushed the price up. We got nothing like that. We're sitting at 179.73 thousand on the volume. But like I say, we're making this attempt. I do see us pulling back there. Just want to come and cover that on Canton Network, give you the update on the chart. That's where we at on Canton Network. Just we got a new range here, as I can tell you, it's right here, and this is where we're gonna range to the market makes a different decision. So go back and we'll see if we can so we're pushing right above the 382 right now. We at that level of resistance. I don't think we're gonna go much further. We're gonna pull back. Could come all the way back down here to the 236 at 15.1 cents. Maybe bounce, try to get back above the 7-day. If that we get above the 7-day, we could get a rejection, just like we did right here back on April 17th, and then come on down. Could come all the way back down to the bottom of the fib down here, just below the 30. If the 30-day VWAP don't hold, and come all the way down to 14.4, 14.5 cents before making another attempt up. I don't see us getting to the 90-day. I really don't. There's just no volume coming in. Nobody's buying spot on Canton Network. Show you that they did, but if we could get volume to come in here and start buying Canton Network, we could see a turnaround. But that's where we at. Want to bring that to your attention. Subscribe, like to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless you.